Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 29th, 2025, and we're diving into Dell Technologies' fiscal 2026 first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Dell Technologies has released some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Dell Technologies reported a revenue of $23.4 billion for the first quarter of fiscal 2026, which is a 5% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on their profitability metrics?
Absolutely. Dell's operating income rose by 21% to $1.2 billion, and their non-GAAP operating income increased by 10% to $1.7 billion. The adjusted EPS came in at $1.55, which is a 17% increase from last year, significantly beating the forecasted EPS of $1.52.
Segment performance. John, let's talk about Dell's segment performance. How did their Infrastructure Solutions Group and Client Solutions Group fare this quarter?
The Infrastructure Solutions Group reported a revenue of $10.3 billion, marking a 12% increase year over year. Notably, they achieved a record $6.3 billion in servers and networking revenue, up 16%. Meanwhile, the Client Solutions Group saw a 5% increase in revenue to $12.5 billion, driven by a 9% rise in commercial client revenue.
Cash flow and capital return. Cash flow is always a critical metric. How did Dell perform in terms of cash flow and capital return?
Dell generated a record $2.8 billion in cash flow from operations this quarter. They also returned $2.4 billion to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends, more than doubling their quarterly average since FY23. Their free cash flow saw a remarkable increase of 258% to $2.2 billion.
Guidance and future outlook. Looking ahead, what guidance has Dell provided for the rest of fiscal 2026?
Dell expects full-year revenue to be between $101 billion and $105 billion, with a midpoint growth of 8% year over year. They anticipate a non-GAAP EPS of $9.40 at the midpoint, up 15%. For the second quarter, they project revenue between $28.5 billion and $29.5 billion, reflecting a 16% increase at the midpoint.
CEO and CFO statements. And what insights did Dell's leadership provide regarding these results?
Yvonne McGill, Dell's CFO, highlighted the record cash flow from operations and the significant capital return to shareholders. Jeff Clark, the COO, emphasized the unprecedented demand for AI-optimized servers, with $12.1 billion in AI orders this quarter alone, surpassing all of FY25 shipments.
Key takeaways. In summary, Dell Technologies has delivered a strong start to fiscal 2026 with impressive revenue growth, profitability, and cash flow metrics. Their strategic focus on AI and infrastructure solutions is clearly paying off. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Dell's performance this quarter certainly sets a positive tone for the rest of the year.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Dell's performance in the comments below. Until next time.